And welcome back. The holidays are almost here, and it can be a challenging time of year for fashion. Well, there are lots of special occasions to dress up for, and we often see the same people at each event. While we can't exactly wear our favorite outfit over and over, there are ways to make it easier. Well, luckily, our friend and fashion designer, Trudy introduces us to the concept of the holiday capsule wardrobe. Welcome back, Trudy.
Thank you so much.
All right, so when I think of a capsule wardrobe, I think of taking my clothes and burying them in the sand until someone else finds them years later.
That's an option, but that's not what we're doing. That's not what we're doing.
So explain what a capsule wardrobe is.
I'm going to tell you exactly what a capsule is. It's basically a real simple system of just a bunch of garments, a small amount of garments that all work together. They mix and match, so you get lots of different outfits.
So this can be helpful when we have a lot of things to go to in a short amount of time.
You know what? I always think with a good capsule, you should be able to get dressed in the dark. A top, a bottom, a bag, out. You're done, you're done. And the plus point is when we're really busy at this time of year, it's so nice to just think, I don't have to worry about this. I will just go and do and put on and I'm done. I'm all good.
Oh, this is also great when you travel, because I know it can be difficult if I bring brown shoes, I have to bring brown belt and all.
Absolutely. Holidays, traveling, vacations, for work, for the working out, all sorts of things. Capsules are great. And I like to keep them tight like this. This one I've got a formula. It's 3, 2, 1. 3 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 other. The other thing is just a thing you want to have, a cardigan or a jacket or whatever. But the whole point is you can get lots of looks out of just these 6 pieces. And with holiday stuff, we have 3 watchwords. We have color, we have sparkle, and we have texture. You can't go wrong with sparkle. You know I've never met a sequin I don't like. You know that.
You must be Linda with brown hair.
Pretty much. I'm channeling Linda at all times.
This also seems like a great idea for if you have to go, and I know as we're getting toward this time of year and season's getting busy, you might have to go right from work to a lunch meeting, to an afternoon cocktail.
Absolutely. Now, the thing with the capsule is, yes, it's a bunch of garments, but I like to take it just a little bit further, which is to add it into the rest of your wardrobe. So this outfit here, a simple kind of cami or a top or a tee and a jean, this is kind of representing what's in everyone's closet, really. We've all pretty much got
like a base.
Right, exactly. An absolutely simple base, and we're going to add things to it as well as mix them around together. So we're going to get multiple outfits from a very few pieces.
I love
Would
it.
you like to see?
Yes, we
Yes.
would. Work your Trudy magic.
All right, okay, so we've got our basic piece here, which is lovely, and you know you could zhuzh that up, but we like to start with something sequiny.
Oh, I love that.
I know, how sparkly is that? Now, this is beautiful as a piece. Obviously, it's going to sit with your jeans and make a really good kind of drinks and dinner with the girls kind of outfit. But also, it will go with either of your bottoms. Now, we've got a satin pant here, so we've got true disco. True disco.
See, too, that is, the satin's very pretty, and it does reflect the light.
It's so nice, and it's kind of low-key glamour. It's not kind of too full-on, but also,
and it's basic black. There's always the basic black.
You can't go wrong with that. More sequins, because there's no such thing as too many sequins. I think we can all agree.
I'm liking this more and more.
I know. This I actually did this with you in mind. So we've got sequin, and they both go together. And then, of course, if you wanted to, you could slip your sequin skirt with that. That's really easy.
Oh, yes. And I see, I don't know if you can see, so I'll pop them up here, but you have 2 different pairs of shoes.
I left them there for you to kind of,
yes,
I knew you'd see the
you knew I
pom-poms.
would. Linda, would you hold that one up?
would.
And I'm going to pick up these
I've
others.
chosen these 2 shoes because we've got a high and we've got a flat. Doesn't matter, you choose what you like. We've got a really pretty velvety one with a pom-pom, and we've got a sparkly metallic. You cannot go wrong with these. They'll go with all the pieces you've got in here. Okay, so.
I love it.
I know, so nice. Now, we have also got things like this. Beautiful velvet shirt.
Whoa, I like
now,
that.
the thing with velvet is, in your head, that reads holiday. You just go, oh, velvet, of course. So the thing with a velvet shirt is, you can wear it in many, many different ways. You can obviously wear it as a shirt. You can wear it untucked as a jacket or open as a jacket. And you can just wear it as a layering piece. So, and this will naturally go with our lovely outfit here.
Well, that's great here on the Suncoast, because sometimes it's so warm in the afternoon and cool in the evening if we need to transition.
Or you're walking into air conditioning.
Right, exactly. We like the layers. We think layers are fantastic. So velvet shirt looks beautiful, of course.
And you could wear the velvet over even the jeans.
Absolutely. There's no reason why you can't. I mean, honestly, jeans are like a modern classic. We can all do them. It'll look good with your skirt, of course.
Yes.
It'll look good with your satin pants, of course. Naturellement. Okay, and we can, of course, if we want to get really cozy, This is our other piece. This is our finishing piece, and we're going to shoulder robe this just straight over the shoulders like this, which is really pretty. And if we want to, and of course we do, we never want to not accessorize.
Yes, accessories. I know you have said in the past, accessories are a huge key.
They are. We've got a little crossbody here. This is one of these great things that's actually a wallet inside. So I can't tell you how much I think they're fantastic, and you should definitely get one. You can wear it as a clutch. You can wear it as a crossbody. So you've got a really simple kind of everyday outfit here with this. But of course, you can still add your satin pant. You can still add your sequin skirt.
Right. And you could even wear this as your base and still use the fuzzy over it.
Absolutely. It goes with everything.
Okay, the palette is amazing, how you've got all these different rose
You know what?
shades.
Here's the thing with the color. You don't need to make things match. They just need to sit together. They
The
need
same
to be happy.
family.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that sounds
and
cool.
I chose this kind of rosy, this kind of antique-y rosy color because it's really current. It's really good, and it suits everyone.
Spend a little time with me for a second on that. They don't need to match. They just need to sit together.
Yes, they need to be friends.
Yes.
That's all.
How do you know that they're friends, though, and
Yeah.
that they don't dislike each other?
Okay, the best way to do it in an ideal world is you take the pieces with you when you're going shopping. But we're being realistic here. This is not an ideal world. As long as you look at them and you kind of think, oh, it's kind of in that mood, you're normally okay. You know, I've chosen kind of antique-y rose colors here, very vintagey pastels. But the truth is they don't all match, they just sit together really well. And so the last piece we've got here, this is a satin blouse. It's very a girly blouse. Obviously it'll look great with those. Fantastic with your satin pant.
Yes.
And perfect with your sequin skirt.
And
All
we've
beautiful.
got like 10 looks here. That's
I know,
amazing.
I know. And the final thing to add is this. I mean, obviously, now I've chosen 2 bags. One metallic, one sparkly sequin. You can't buy this. This is vintage and it's mine. But, you see, sequins. Got to have sequins. The final thing you can do is if you get really chilly, you have a really nice faux fur
That's
infinity
gorgeous.
stuff. So nice, kind of casual glamour. I love it. It's really good for holidays.
you to
This
come
is
in my
amazing.
closet.
I need you to do this for the guys. I
You
think
know
we need
what?
to bring you back
Yeah,
for the guys.
I'm going to do one for the guys. I'm
How
gonna do it soon.
wonderful. You can get more fashion tips, designs, and of course patterns by visiting Trudy online at her website, HotPatterns.com. Trudy, thank you. You've done it again.
I know.
Next, how well do we actually know each other? We're going to find out with a fun holiday game that you can play with your family.